how's everyone doing? So today I'm gonna remove the black vinyl overlay that I did on the chrome here around the window. If you remember, I don't know, it's probably been a year at least that when I did it. It's holding up great. Little areas I've noticed. It'll come down here a little bit and you just kind of push it back up here. Not a big deal, just because it's such a slick surface, but it's holding up great. I mean, I wash it normally, it's not peeling. But I want to kind of go over and see, because people are asking, what does it do? Does it damage this when you go pull it off? And, you know, I'm assuming it doesn't, but I don't really have the exact answer because I've never done it before. So thought a good thing to do, I can pull this off and we'll see what it looks like underneath, guys. And it's easy to do. I've done it a couple times now because I've messed up some areas, so I've redone it. It's really not that difficult. The hardest part is back here. You guys see right there, I might even include that in the video. I just never got around to redoing it. I put too much heat here and just burned the vinyl. But this is the hardest part, I would say, because you tuck it down in here, and in here there's a little rubber sill. And you don't want to push too hard because then it kind of tucks the sill down too. So that's the hardest part, but the rest is not even bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to remove it. And on this one, just knowing that there's the edges are tucked inside the door, I'm gonna do it without any heat either and show you how easy it is. It's great stuff. Like I said, it's easy to remove, easy to put on, but it's durable. Like I don't take any extra precaution. So just wanna show you that. So if you guys are thinking about doing this and concerned that it might actually like damage the chrome underneath, you know, we'll go ahead and we'll do it. We'll see if it damages anything. Because like I said, it's been on there at least a year. So it's been baked in with the sun and stuff, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try at least to do it without any heat. Since you can get the edge, it should be pretty easy, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay guys, so right here, you can always see the edge because that's where it gets tucked. Look how easy that comes off. I didn't heat it or nothing. Just pulls right off. And what helps it do this is it has the air release technology on the back. If you look at it, this kind of vinyl has like little bumps, so it helps it lay down smooth. But look at that, it just comes right off. But like I said, it's really durable because I haven't taken any precaution. It hasn't lifted up when I scrub it, washing it, and it looks perfect underneath. Look at that. No discoloring. If anything, it protects it, just like the plasti dip on the chrome H's. Since the sun's not hitting the chrome, this little shiny plastic here protects it. So on the back one, same thing. It's easy because you can see where the edge is. This is where I tucked it at. So once you get your finger underneath, I have this little tool here. I'm not going to need it. I thought I might, but it's really easy. Almost crazy how easy it comes off, but how it stays on there so good too. So you don't have to worry. It's not some of that cheap vinyl that you put it on there, the sun bakes it, and it just leaves a gooey mess underneath it. I mean, look at that. Comes right off, starting to tear a little bit here. I'll come back and get that. So I'm really surprised how easy this is. So if you guys are wanting to do this and then maybe change your mind later, want to change it maybe from a shiny to a matte vinyl, it's easy. It's not going to leave any residue. So feel free to do that. Just takes the time. Just get this little piece that's stuck here that broke. And then we're good to go. So there's that one. So if you can see, it looks like normal. It looks like when I bought it. Now if I want, I can just redo it again. And the back one. And the good thing is the more practice you get, if you guys are having difficult with this, the more you do this, the easier it's going to get, like anything. So just try it. I've messed up the first couple times, and now I'm more confident when I do this. To do this again, it's going to be a lot easier. You know, you get a little method down, but look at how easy that comes off. And it'll just pull out from right under the sill here. Done. So, no residue left behind with this vinyl. That's why I always recommend using a quality vinyl for sure, because, I mean, you can get it on there, but then if you ever remove some of the cheap vinyl, it's going to leave the glue behind, and that's just a chore to get off in itself. So, using good vinyl, it's easy to do. You can take it off whenever you want and change your mind. If it gets damaged, redo it. So I hope that helps you guys. You know, I'm not going to bore you doing the other side. Same thing. I'm going to go ahead and do that just so it's the same. and then maybe switch it to a satin finish one and redo it. Like I said, once you do this a couple times, it's a lot easier. Now that I have all the tools I need to do it. Okay, guys? So I hope that answers some of your guys' questions. Wondering if the vinyl will, if it'll ruin anything when you go take it off. Hope everyone's doing good, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care, guys.